How do you keep your farm employees safe during COVID-19? There are 2 steps. Use procedures to prevent the spread of COVID-19 and train your employees on these procedures. These procedures include adding hand washing stations, washing hands often, disinfecting surfaces often, practicing social distancing, using cloth face coverings, and protecting your workers, which protects us all. When adding hand washing stations, remember to place them close to work areas and restrooms. With washing your hands often, remember to use soap and water. Wash for at least 20 seconds. If there's no place to wash hands, use hand sanitizer with greater than 60% alcohol, and do not share towels. With disinfecting surfaces often, remember to use EPA-approved products including disposable wipes, follow label directions, and use personal protective equipment like gloves. With social distancing, remember to stay more than 6 feet apart, limit 1 person per vehicle, and change work practices like line speed, pickup, and drop-off times. Stagger breaks and work shifts, increase the number of break spots, eliminate large gatherings, and encourage all of these practices outside of work. Use cloth face coverings, but remember that these do not replace respirators. Respirators should be used around hazards like pesticides, dust, and solvents.
And remember to protect your workers, which protects us all. Seek medical care for sick employees, encourage sick workers to stay home and limit their interaction with animals, and alert health officials if you suspect that anyone has COVID-19. Learn more about protecting your workers here. Thank you.